My name is Mark Mantec. I'm president of Pennex. Well, this job, see, Pennex is a manufacturing facility, and so we make aluminum extrusions. You know, we make parts that go into Tesla cars, to vans that go into deliver packages from Amazon and others, furniture that goes outdoors. And so, I mean, we do a lot of different stuff, and it's all kind of neat and exciting to see.
Pennex is an aluminum extrusion facility in Wellsville, PA. The process begins with 80,000 pounds of aluminum being melted in the kiln. After it is melted, it is then molded into huge logs. These huge logs are then tested for elements that need to be added or need to be taken out. The aluminum is extruded into the shape and size through the die. If parts need to be painted, they are sent to a different facility and then brought back. Finally, the product is carefully packaged and shipped to the customer.
We actually bought the company from Penn State Aluminum 30, 40 years ago. It was mid to late 90s. We bought Press B to expand, and then just a few years ago, we bought another facility out in Ohio to expand to our capabilities.
It's a challenging job. I think it's a fun job. And, you know, I've done it for many years. I've done this for over 30 years. And it's, you know, it's rewarding coming to work every day, going home.
You can see a product that you use every day, and you don't realize all the different things that go into making it happen.
I mean, I feel proud. I feel proud when we can take, you know, the scrap that you see out there in the yard that's laying on the ground that has absolutely no use the way it is, and producing something that's useful to, you know, everybody, home use or highway use, but turning it into something new.